Very good morning, friends. So I hope you're all safe and healthy. Well, in the series of hedge accounting, we are now almost on the last leg of the hedge accounting sessions we have had. And we were talking in terms of step number 5, the accounting in terms of different types of hedges. In the previous two videos, I have been discussing about fair value hedge as well as a cash flow hedge. Now we're going to have a little inputs in terms of the third category, and that is accounting of hedge of a NIFO. NIFO, as you know, is a short form called for net investment in a foreign operation, which is also governed by Ind AS 21. Let's have a look at this in detail. अनअकैडमी पर 10 मई से शुरू हो चुका है CPL चार्टर्ड प्रीमियर लीग। सर, ये चार्टर्ड प्रीमियर लीग क्या है? ये बेसिकली एक टेस्ट सीरीज है जो CA इंटरमीडिएट के बच्चों के लिए ग्रुप 1 और ग्रुप 2 के लिए 10 मई से शुरू की गई है। यानी डेली आप टेस्ट ले सकते हैं जिनके अंदर आपको 20 क्वेश्चंस करने होंगे 30 मिनट्स में, और आपके कंसेप्ट्स MCQ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस के द्वारा आपको इसमें इवेल्युएट किया जाएगा। तो करना कुछ नहीं है, आपको इस पूरे CPL का जो ग्रुप 1 और ग्रुप 2 के अलग अलग लिंक्स हैं वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। तो आइए, लेट्स क्रैक इट। Now, the entire aspect of hedge of a NIFO, there is a net investment in a foreign operation, is quite similar, what we have learned in a cash flow hedge. You need to make a segregation in terms of the effective portion of the hedge as well as the ineffective portion of the hedge. Now, as far as the ineffective portion of the hedge is concerned, it is taken to the profit and loss, exactly what we used to do in terms of cash flow hedge. And as far as the effective portion is concerned, it is recognized in the other comprehensive income, and we use a nomenclature what you use in Ind AS 21, and that's called FCTR. That's called a foreign currency translation reserve. Now the only question what remains is, what do you do with this FCTR? And I think if you recall what is given in terms of Ind AS 21, on the disposal of the foreign operation, whether it's a complete or a partial disposal, the amount from the FCTR is supposed to be reclassified from the statement of changes in equity and is to be taken to the profit and loss account. Now this is treated to be a reclassification adjustment under Ind AS 1. So this FCTR continues to stand in the books of accounts in the statement of changes in equity, and only on the disposal or the partial disposal of the foreign operation we transfer the amount and reclassify it to the profit and loss account. Now the illustrations related to this particular concept is more or less covered in terms of Ind AS 21. But I think since we're not looking at Ind AS 21 at the moment, so I'm not taking any illustration on this. So it's a very simple and a straightforward concept. That finishes the entire concept of hedge accounting with you. Thank you. Take care.